Hello, my name is Carla.
Hello, my name is Damaris.
Hello, my name is Ana.
This is a Prehistory.
Ginesta de Matadepera.
5th grade, December 21 of 2018. Of prehistory is the period of human life period to written documents. Prehistory there before ranges from the appearance of the first human being up to the invention of writing around 30,000.
Definition of prehistory.
Prehistory is the period of human and life period to write and documents. Prehistory there before ranges from the appearance of the first human being of the invention of writing around 30,000 before Christ.
Characteristics. Prehistory. Stone Age. Paleolithic, Neolithic.
Age of metals, Copper Age, Bronze Age, Iron Age.
Hello, my name is Arnau.
My name is Uri.
And my name is Renzo.
Prehistory chronology. The Stone Age. The Stone Age had three parts: Paleolithic, Mesolithic, and Neolithic. Paleolithic start at 350,000 to 11,000 years ago. Mesolithic, 11,000 to 6,000 years ago. And Neolithic, 6,000 to 2,200 years ago.
Bronze Age in Europe started in 3,200 and it to 600 before Christ.
Iron Age started in Europe 1019 before Christ. 800 Annus Domini.
Hello, my name is Maria.
Hello, my name is Arnau.
Hello, my name is Oscar. We will to explain the Stone Age, the Paleolithic. The first period of prehistory during which human beings made stone tools, being the most advanced technology at that time.
The Paleolithic began with stone.
These tools were used to work and hunt. This is humans, to hang lots with animals.
The Paleolithic is a period in human prehistory, distinguished by the original developed stone tools. The Stone Age lasted roughly 3.4 million years and ended between 8,000 and 700 before Christ. With the advent of metal and 2000 between Greece, before Greece, with the advent of metalworking.
The Stone Age is the first period in the three-age system of archaeology. And this is a video.
This photo is a cave to the humans, the Paleolithic Prehistory. And that's all. Evolution of human.
This is Australopithecus. Is the first human.
This is a Homo habilis. And
This is Homo erectus. Is a three human.
this is a Neanderthal.
This is a Homo sapiens. It's a human.
Actuality.
Hello, my name is Anton.
Hello, my name is Julia. And my name is Carola.
And today we're gonna to explain the lucid Australopithecus.
The term hominid refers to a members of the Sauropithecus family hominid. Hominid encompasses all species originating after the human. African ape ancestral spread, learning to including all species of Australopithecus and Homo. While these species differ in many ways, hominids share a set of characteristics that define them as a group. And this is a video.
Lucy was the first and oldest hominid to ever be discovered. She was an Australopithecus. A forensic cause her jaw was more akin a gorilla. Daniel Johansen and Tom Gray discovered Lucy in 1974 in Hadar, Ethiopia. She was 1.1 meter tall and weighed 64 pounds and 29 kilos.
Lucy has female because she has smaller in height and weight. Lucy has a large stomach and ate mostly pants. Her tummy was prominent.
And here we're gonna to explain that this is the how was the ancient woman, and it's gonna go around. And here it's a photo of Lucy in a museum.
My name is Julia.
My name is Jaume.
My name is David.
And welcome to the Stone Age Mesolithic.
The Mesolithic is between the upper Paleolithic and the Neolithic.
It lasts from the 9,000 and the 6,000. Mesolithic is divided in two places.
Is the historical area where the climate changes, the ways of living are modified and the tools are introduced.
In this period, some animals extinct, migrate, or die. Humans begin to eat fruit and they stop hunting. They also dig caves and make wooden huts near the rivers. In this photo,
We start with the
huts with life to the
we humans start to make his life
his human.
yes.
And this other photo is the rocks to the Stone Age.
That's all.
Today I am going to present the differences between hunter-gatherers and the sedentary tribes. My name is Carolina.
My name is Aleix. And my name is Mireia.
The sedentary tribes discovered pets.
The sedentary tribes discovered to plant food. The sedentary tribes discovered the seeds to plant food.
The sedentary tribes lived in the huts, and the hunter-gatherers in caves that they found. The sedentary tribes lived in a place, and from there they did not move. The sedentary tribes discovered agriculture, and this is the hut. When the sedentary lives.
This is a photo of the tribes of sedentaries.
And this is a photo for the hunter-gatherers.
This is a video.
And that's all.
And this is a stone.
The Neolithic by Laura,
Marta and Gina.
New Stone Age is the time that farming vegan pottery was developed and villages were born.
Longs at 4,500 before Christ to 2,500 before Christ. The first farmers in Greece and Southeast Europe also show a great similarity to that of the Middle East.
the Neolithic, as known in the New Stone Age, in
3,200 before Christ.
Indian people developed their own writing system in
2,506 before Christ.
the Great Pyramid of Giza is complete and in
1,323 before Christ.
Tutankhamun dies.
In this photo, you can see the humans that living in the Neolithic age that farming.
The native people used flints to make tools and weapons for hunting.
Fishing and other daily activities.
The Bronze Age is a historical period characterized of use of bronze. This is what period which during bronze metal or bronze work was introduced. The introduction of metalworking changed life and society. Lots of evidence from this period has been recovered the tapes.
At the origins of written history, the Anatolian plains inside the area ringed by the Kizilirmak River were occupied by the first definite civilization in Anatolia, a non-Indo-European indigenous people. Things that happened
In 776 before Christ, we had the first Olympic Games in Greece.
in 753 before Christ is Roma founded. That's all.
Hello, I'm Mark.
I'm Claudia.
My name is Roger. And we are going to present the metals Iron Age.
The Iron Age is the final period of the time of the three-age system, preceded by Stone Age and Bronze Age.
It is an archaeological era in the prehistory and protohistory on Europe and the Near East. And by analogy, also use of other parts of the old world. The three-age system was introduced in the first half of the 19th century for the archaeologists of Europe. And that's all.